2004 BMW 525i. What we got, he's still working on it. I love projects, they never end. And we enjoy them. That's the whole point of having a project car. And this is one of his project cars. It's got a manifold converters right there. Then the true duals all the way back into the resonator. He wanted it not too loud, so we left the stock resonator. Then it goes 2.5 pipe all the way back, and we continued that 2.5 pipe into a double wall tip right there. Came out really nice. He's gonna paint it this summer. He's gonna paint it a nice like white, not the Alpine white no more, something different. So tell us what you guys think. What color should he paint it? He's gonna check in the comments. And like always, guys, please subscribe, like, and comment on all our videos, because it helps us keep going and keeps our videos showing up and keep making more videos. Hope you guys like it. Yes, sir. Yeah. No, that's a different one. Yeah. What do you think? That's clean. Not too loud, not too quiet. Again. Sound decibels. Right at 100. That's perfect. Not too loud. It won't drone too much inside. Nothing. If you want it louder, there's the giant pancake muffler we cut off right there. That's what goes on it. If you want it louder, you can take that resonator out next. Okay? Yeah, that's the next step. Drive it for a week or so, see how you like it, and then go from there. Those tips look really nice. I like them. They fit that car. BMW 525i. Let you guys hear on the inside.